Hello folks, Sam Owens here again, and we're going further on the ROKR space shuttle LKA02 kit. It's a wooden puzzle that is going to show the space shuttle on a base, and you're going to see all these arms move and shuttle move around and lights flash. We have just completed step 5, and now we're going into step 6, which is on page 28. And step 6 is going to assemble the area up here. It's going to close it in, and this is another arm, which in 7 is going to build that arm onto here, which is going to go around and do some activity. Let's get started right now. Okay, we take this part 49 and 47, and they supposed to go a certain way. Pictures up. We're gonna stick this right into there like that. Okay, the next one, we take one of these M9s, and they're showing it with the flat edge up and down like that. And you want to go ahead and stick this on there, because sometimes it... Then we're going to take this part 41 with the picture, and it's just a line across there, but that goes right in here, and there we have a little window. J37 and J38, and it goes to these two holes right here. Let's see, like this. Okay, orientate the picture or the part, and then this is going to go just like that right into there. And we're going to sandwich these on, and also we're going to use the other M8, and so we're going to put this right here, and we want to go down with it on these two tabs. That always makes it easier. Now we take these two, and they're showing how it goes, and it'll be like this. This is J40, and we're going to marry them up right here like this, and just wiggle. And you can see it starting to go there, all the way around. We're going to mount J46 right on the front right here, looking to make sure everything is down. And now we're ready to mount this, as the next picture shows, right into here, across this. This is going there, and you can see the alignments of the tabs. There's a little one, which is going to go right in there. So now you fit this over and line everything up, and you have to maneuver, find out what goes. And looking, you also have this part right here is going to go over, so keep that in mind. He has to go in there. Keep looking. There, that was holding it right there, so I had to squeeze on that, and now they will go down. So don't forget this little guy. You may have to squeeze him, and then these other two will go. And see, that finishes that. Now we're going to take J48, which is right here, and it's going to be in this position. And they show putting it on right here. So this is going to go into the larger opening, and these two down here. So I'm just going to put those in, and then push and pull and get him in there, and he goes all the way down. See, all the way. These are all the way out. Then we take M3, and you want to put this on where it says space base. And there's a little cutout there that's got to be pushed out. Pull that off. There. Okay, now, want to be sure you put it correctly with where you can read it. Space base. And this goes right over this area. Wait. Oh, and it's going to read it through a hole. Okay. I was wondering, how is that going to see that? Now just push this. There. But see, this has a little slot in it, so it'll be seen, and there will be lights going through it. Aha. They think of all the little details, ROKR does. And you see, when that lights up, you'll see space base. Ah, very good. This is the other arm, 3-arm arm, 1, 2, and 3. We're gonna mount J36 first, and they're showing the colors. Red goes down here. So this is gonna go right in here and just rock it. It goes in easily. Then D8, space base, is gonna go in here. Okay, so, and then it goes just like that. Look at that. Yeah, it gives it a nice look. And it goes like, you want it like this, and this position, so this is the way this should be. Easy to get it backwards. So it didn't say picture out, it should have, okay? Now, this is going to mount into this area right here. Right up here. Right up there. Okay, and that's the way that's going to go. And then this is a cam, which is going to be up here. And let's see, C15. And we want to place it like they're showing with the lobe out this way. Yes, like this. And they're showing over top of that right here. Let's see. Oh, that's a stop right there. Okay. See, if you look carefully, that cam is going to go right up against that little piece back there, and looks like it catches it. Okay, we'll see how that works. Oh, and then when this gets together, this is going to rotate, and that looks like a stop. Now, the next picture, you can check your work. This and that is supposed to be just like that with the cam that way. Okay, that completes that section. And now that also completes step 6. We've got 6 now completed, and you see it involved this little section right up here, putting the cam. And now we're going to go to step 7 next, and it will assemble the arm, and that will be all of the base. Step 7 will complete the base, and then 8 will take us into the shuttle. Something to look forward to, folks. We just finished the Space Shuttle assembly part 6, and it's such a short one that I think I can add part 7, which is a very short amount of video, to mount this arm, construct the arm similar to this, going across this way, and we will be complete with it in just 3 or 4 little segments. So we're going to start on page number 29, step 7. Take this, and then we're going to put a couple of parts in. We're going to put D4 in through here, and also D2 is going to be assembled through here. So this is D4. Okay, that was a little bit challenging. Okay, and then this one goes through here. that one's pretty easy. And then we can sandwich this onto it right here, and this is just the way it will go with the design out. Okay, and then push on the two, and they should all be clamped in. This is going to be the arm that's going to go up there. Okay, these are not hard steps. You just got to watch, and it looks like there's two holes right here that D18 and 19 are going to go. We're going to go 19, which is right here, and it looks like it's shaping up this way, and it goes into the red hole, which is in the back right here. And then this one, and it goes in the forward hole. This was 19, so it goes right over here. And squeezes down just like that. And that's little supports there or something. And then this D15 is going in right here. Looks like it can go either way. Right into here. That's all the way. It looks like a mounting right there. I forgot to assemble these parts D10, 11, and E11, so go ahead and do it as the picture shows and continue on. This is D7, and it looks like the picture is going to go out on the back side. So we just pop this on here just like this. It's a square. That's the way it'll look. And then this is E12, and it goes up underneath here either way. That completes the arm, and this is the last step to completion of the base assembly. This goes right in here. And let's see. There. So don't stop short on that. It's supposed to go to these, go all the way up to the bottom of that. So you could stop short if you're not careful, and this would be sticking up. So you want that like that. There it is. The base has been fully assembled with the 3 arms and everything, the sliding rack, all the windows, and 6 and 7 completed these 2. So that's going to be nice. There you go. An accomplishment. Now the next stage is going to be step 8, which is going to mount the shuttle on here. It can completely be assembled, and then the last step probably is mounting it right in here, and so it will ride up in here in this area. Okay, we're going to show you, since we're at a completion, we can show you the full operation of the base with power on. Got the main power switch off, and now we're going to place power to the base right back here. Should know where it is by now. Nothing happens when you just plug it in with the power off. Okay, I'm going to give you a different view of it so you can see it from the side, which is a better view. Folks, this is the conclusion and finish of step 7, which completes the base for the ROKR space shuttle. And I do want to point out I failed to show these 2 parts and this one. I missed them in the assembly instructions, but don't forget to place those. I think you can handle it. It's pretty easy. We're going to show you a demonstration of how the space shuttle base functions with lights and all of the action of the arms and the rack minus the space shuttle. That's step 8, which is coming up. So I've got power. I'm going to throw power on. You get lights in the tower and everything. I hit the start button and it will start everything. Arms all come out. Notice this one comes out, this one comes up, that one comes around, and this rolls out. The shuttle would be mounted right here. Okay, that's as far as it goes at this point. To close it back up, you press the start button again. It's a real fun project to do. Several family members or friends can assemble these with a lot of fun to it. Okay, that concludes. We've got power lights down here and they blink, and so you saw a full demonstration of what the finished product will be, but it's minus the space shuttle. That's step 8 coming up, the last step. So I'm eager to get started and get a video out for you. All right. Thanks for watching.